Today we are going to dive into the magical world of Excel tables. With your data set selected, head over to the Home tab on the ribbon, go to the Styles, and in the Styles group, click on Format as Table. A drop-down menu appears with different table styles. A Create Table dialog pops up. Make sure the range is correct. To filter your data, click on the drop-down arrow in any header, and then you can see smallest to largest, for example, largest to smallest, or you can just filter something, like you don't want to see here the $9,000 thing, or you can use a number filter. Number filter equal, does not equal, greater, or top 5. For example, top 5. Yeah, it's really easy to navigate in this table. Above average and below average. And here, clear filter from sale. In the department, you can choose which department you want to see. Automobile, oil, grocery. Adding new data to your table is a breeze. Just type in the new data in the row immediately below the table and watch as the table magically expands to include it. Miller? It's like your table saying, there's always room for more. Excel also gives you some nifty table tools under the Table Design tab. Here you can change the table style. To change the table style, just select a different style from the table style gallery. To add a total row, you click just here, or for example in that slicer. So I think a department slicer would be neat. So now you can just click here, automobile, groceries, oil. That's cool. The slicer has also a new tab, and you can choose some style that matches, for example, your table. But if you're tired of your table, just go on Table Design, convert to range, and it's gone. It's not a table anymore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Sheetwise for more tips and tricks. Goodbye.